Introduction. Focus on learning. While we will be creating an interesting Tableau dashboard, creating a really interesting template, it's not just about going through the motions, but about learning the various techniques required. So please do keep the following in mind. Follow along with the exercises. Try not to skip. Try to understand each lesson as much as you can. Try to learn all the various techniques. We will be covering several different things, so try to learn the techniques, follow along, and also apply them to other dashboards that you may have. Question absolutely everything. Do not take anything for granted. If you need to bang your head against the table to understand this point, trust me, it is well worth it. So question everything that you see in this course. Repetition is good, repetition is king, so please repeat if necessary. There's no harm in it. Repeat, because that's how you'll build your muscle memory when it comes to developing these type of visualizations as well as these type of templates. Keep each lesson. You have no idea how many times I've talked to students that have gone to lessons. They enjoyed it at the time, they went away, a month or two later, completely forgotten. And that is an opportunity lost. That's learning lost. So try to keep every lesson. This course is for you for as long as you need. Keep the lesson, revise if you need to, but try to internalize as much as you can. And lastly, Google is king. You can ask me questions in the comment section below, absolutely. However, if you need to, Google what you have to. For me, a common skill and a very interesting skill to have is to be able to find the answers via Google, via Tableau forums, via Twitter, to be resourceful, to have those resources and know how to use it. So the key I want to leave you before we move on to the next section is really focus on learning. Try to learn as much as you can, but one point that's not on the slides, try to have fun. Simple as that. See you in the next lesson.